So we kind of want to gather our thoughts here. How did we get to here? What did we do?
Well, we started off with this. Then we multiplied out and then added 4 to this side.
Right, and produced these equations.
Yeah, subtracted 4.
Okay. And what did we do to go
then
from here to here?
we added those.
Okay. So we added to get this. Do you have any other, but it produced something really nice.
Yeah.
So do you have any other ideas that we could do from here to go forward?
Well, I'm not sure if completing the square would help. Because there may not be a square to complete.
Yeah, well, completing the square is actually going to send you right back to here. Here's a square equaling something, a square equaling something.
Yeah. We could subtract them.
Okay. Yeah. So we have two equations.
We
added them and we got a very nice result. And all we need to do, x squared plus y squared equals 5 times x plus y. We just need to find the sum now. And that was really great. It almost got us there. Let's see what happens when we subtract. Let's just subtract. So what does the left side of the equation become?
Well, y minus x.
Okay, y minus x. Equals what?
Equals x squared minus y squared minus 4x plus 4y.
Okay.
So that says that. Ooh, I see something. Move this to the other side.
Okay, what do you get?
And you get 5, and you get, well, negative 3y plus 3x equals, and then we have a difference of squares here.
Oh, okay.
So you get x plus y. There's x minus y.
Okay.
So we have our x plus y that we wanted.
All right.
We also have this x minus y.
Okay, what do we know about this x minus y?
Well, we don't know that it's not negative.
Okay, we definitely don't know that. We only know one thing about that x minus y.
It's not 0.
Why?
Because x doesn't equal y.
Okay, so if it's not 0, what can we do?
Well, this side isn't 0.
This side is not 0.
Well, for pretty much the same reason.
Okay, why? What is this side?
This side is negative 3y plus 3x.
Simplify.
So it's negative, well, it's 3 times x minus y. So maybe now we can divide by x minus y.
Why can we divide by x minus y?
Because there's an x minus y on both sides.
Why else can we divide by x minus y?
Well, it's in both of the terms.
Okay, but that's not good enough.
And x minus y is not 0.
Okay. We know it's not 0. See, now what property from the beginning have we used?
This.
Remember, we didn't use this before?
Yeah.
We now can divide by x minus y because x minus y is not equal to 0. Okay. So what does that tell us when we divide by x minus y?
So that x plus y equals 3.
Okay, so what's x squared plus y squared?
So x plus y equals 3. And then times x squared plus y squared is 15.
X squared plus y squared is 15. Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
So it turned out this problem was just a lot of algebra. So we had y plus 4 equals this. So we simplified those equations first. We added them to produce a nice result for x squared plus y squared. We subtracted them. Both times it was important to simplify this expression 3 times, and this time it was 3 times x minus y. When you left it like this, you didn't see that there was an x minus y on this side. So it's important to simplify that expression. But it just turned out add and subtract, and bam. Bam, we're done. So there's a couple things about dividing by things. You got to make sure when you divide that they're not 0. Why?
Because you can't divide by 0.
Divided by 0 produces some problems. There we go. So the last thing I want to do is I want to go up to our computer and I want to solve this graphically, which would be hard to do if you were taking the test. You probably wouldn't have a computer with you.
Yeah.
But let's take a look and see what happens when we solve these graphically. Okay.
Alright.